So now I'm going to change the presentation mode to video conferencing mode. So now I'm selecting the VC camera under the preset 1. So you can see that the layout has changed to the camera for a video conferencing. Now you can see that I'm operating this touch panel for the room control. So I'm changing this from video conferencing mode to the presentation mode. So now I'm selecting the cable curvy, for example 5. So you can see that this room layout has changed to the presentation mode. So now you can see that I'm operating this touch panel for a lighting control of this room. So I'm selecting the lighting control model, and then I'm going to off all the center lights. Now you can see that the entire lights in the conference room is on. And now you can see that I'm going to change the switching system in the entire conference room. So I'm changing from room PC to the another laptop by selecting the cable curvy 5. And you can see that the laptop number 5 has been selected everywhere and the content has been changed.